Hello, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take the MCQs of natural vegetation. First question. The most widespread forest in India. Tropical deciduous forest. The forests which are found in the areas receive rainfall less than 50 centimeter. Tropical desert forest. The leaves of a tree which are used for rearing shellac worms. Palastries, the sustainable system of managing a piece of land through combined production of agricultural crops, forest crops, and animal rearing. Agroforestry. Give examples of renewable or non-conventional source of energy used in order to conserve forest. Solar energy, tidal energy, and hydel energy. Name any two movements associated with forest conservation of India. Van Mahotsava and Chipko movement. The gas that increase greenhouse effect leading to global warming. Carbon dioxide. This helps numerous species of animals for their dispersal and migration. Corridors between reserved forests. How do forests control atmospheric pollution? They absorb atmospheric carbon dioxide and help in maintaining purity of air. Name the breathing roots of tidal forests. Nematopholes. Where is the alpine forest found? More than 3000 meters above the sea level. This tree's bark and gum have medicinal value. Babul. The most explored forest in India. Moist deciduous forest. The forest found in the western slopes of the Western Ghats. Tropical evergreen forest or rainforest. Its oil, leaves and extracts are used to manufacture health and beauty products. Neem. Name two areas where thorn and scrub forests are found. Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat. The tropical evergreen forests appear green all the year round. Why? The trees in those forests do not have a fixed time to shed their leaves. What acts as a natural sponge and helps to soak the rainwater in the soil? Humus. In which forest the carpet layer of herbs and grasses cannot grow? Why? Tropical evergreen forest, because the dense canopy of trees which do not allow sunlight to reach the ground. The assemblage of plant species living in association with each other in a given environment setup. Vegetation. Which cycles are regulated by trees? Oxygen carbon dioxide cycle and water cycle. Which forest trees shed their leaves completely in dry season and give the forest a look of a grassland with naked trees? Dry deciduous forest. The most commercially exploited forest. Tropical deciduous forest. Which tree has high demand in the tropical deciduous forest? Sandalwood tree. Plants of a particular region listed as species and considered as a group. Flora. The relationship maintained by acacia trees and stinging ants. Symbiotic relationship. Why the trees of tropical deciduous forest have stunted growth? Due to paucity of rain or lack of rain. Other name of tropical deciduous forest? Monsoon forest. Why do tropical evergreen forests have variety of vegetation? The region remains warm and wet throughout the year. In which period of the year the tropical deciduous forests shed their leaves? During spring and early summer. Which tree provide a means of livelihood for tribals? Bamboo tree. In which forest trees reach great heights of more than 60 meters? The tropical evergreen forest. What is the transition happens to deciduous forest in wetter margins and drier margins? In the wetter margins, there is a transition into moist deciduous forest, and on the drier margins into thorn forest. Why tropical evergreen forests have not been exploited? Lack of transport facilities. Name any 3 trees of thorn forest: babool, neem and cacti. Name the forests found in the deltas of large rivers. Tidal forests. What is the name of tidal forest in the Ganga Delta? Why is it so called? Sundarbans. These forests have Sundari trees. That is why it got that name. Which forests cover the entire Himalayan zone? Mountain forests. What is the variation of vegetation in the peninsular region? Tropical to temperate forests. What is a temperate forest called in the Nilgiris, Annamalai and Palani hills? Sholas. How does forest maintain underground water table? Forests help in water percolation. Planting trees on lands which are not previously covered with forest vegetation. Afforestation. The management and protection of forest and afforestation on barren lands for environmental, social and rural development. Social forestry. What type of vegetation is found in tropical desert forest? Xerophytic vegetation. Why do we call the vegetation of tropical desert forest xerophytic? The trees in these forests have adapted themselves to survive in drought-like conditions. Give the other names. Tropical evergreen forest, rainforest. Tropical deciduous forest, monsoon forest. Tropical desert forest, thorn forest. Littoral forest, tidal forest. How do trees of littoral forest adapt to survive in soft and shifting mud? They have profuse growth of tangle of climbers. The this tree's wood is used for construction work and for making railway sleepers. Which is that tree? Deodar. Which forest tree provide employment opportunity for rural people? Social forestry. That's all. I will come with more MCQs of other chapters soon in the next videos. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. God bless.